Laura is an LR sales partner. She is convinced of the LR LifeTact brand. With this concept, you don't need to be a health expert to be successful in business. She would like to present the concept directly to her sales partner, Robert, too. Laura makes an appointment with him. Robert is enthusiastic about the business potential of LR LifeTact. He also wants to profit from the high turnover healthcare market. But how can he sell these products successfully, he asks himself. The LR LifeTact sales set provides Robert with everything he needs for his business, explains Laura, and shows him the materials. The sales guide gives Robert simple instructions. The brand film and several spots, various flyers, and questionnaires with a solution template support the sales talk. With this compact sales equipment, Robert can completely sell LR LifeTact. Robert says goodbye to Laura. He wants to order his own sales set quickly. Robert is looking forward to the sales set. He is curious to learn more about the individual contents. The sales guide shows him in 5 steps how to proceed in the customer meeting. An acquaintance who is interested in health topics comes to his mind. Robert contacts him and tells him about the holistic LR LifeTact solutions for well-being in many phases of life. The acquaintance is curious and would like to know more. Robert makes an appointment with him. Well prepared and with all sales materials ready, Robert starts the sales talk. As an introduction, Robert talks about how important health is for well-being and a happy life. But in everyday life, health is often neglected. After all, who manages to eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day or exercise enough, Robert asks. That's exactly what LR LifeTact is for, says Robert. He starts the presentation with the brand film. Robert's acquaintance is curious to see whether there is a suitable LR LifeTact solution for him. With the questionnaire and the solution template, Robert analyzes the personal needs of his acquaintance. Robert presents the results and recommends the Mental Power Basic Solution. To explain this solution, Robert shows the Mental Power commercial. Robert demonstrates the Mental Power Basic Solution with MindMaster and Pro Balance using the Mental Power sales flyer. Robert offers individual products as a specific supplement. Robert refers to the expert tips, which round off the overall package of the solution, and explains that these can usually be easily integrated in everyday life. Robert's acquaintance is convinced. He orders the monthly package and the recommended individual product supplements from Robert. And best of all, his acquaintance knows other people who might be interested in LR LifeTact. Robert uses the contact recommendation sheet to add his suggestions. He asks his acquaintance to inquire whether he can contact these people. He thanks his acquaintance and says goodbye. Robert is very enthusiastic about the successful appointment and the high turnover. He is pleased that the sales concept of LR LifeTact is so easy to implement. He is confident that he can successfully expand his business and convince others of the LR LifeTact concept. Get your business rolling now with LR LifeTact. LR Health and Beauty. More quality for your life.